Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Stevens. Hey! And I want to do another number talk. This time I want to talk about something called subtraction. And I want to think about it a little bit different. I want to use something we call the distance model. I want to talk about subtraction as far as distance. So it's kind of like a length and measurement and a distance. I like that word. And I like it because it's kind of real life and it always shows how we can apply math to real life. So, Juniper, I know you want to play, but I need this right now. Okay, so here I made a number line. And you guys might see number lines a lot. Oops, I have my pieces here. So this is a number line. And the thing I love about number lines is that this keeps going. And even though the numbers get bigger, how the numbers work together and the properties of numbers don't really change as they get bigger. They just maybe get a little bit more complex because there might be more place values. I want you to think about that for a second. So what do you notice about the number line I created? What do you notice? Well, even though this is about subtraction, I just wanted you to see where fractions live sometimes. Kind of cool, right? Okay, so here's what I want you to think about. My friend, Mr. Penguin, walked 1 foot because he's not very fast. And my friend, Mr. Scotty Puppy, walked 8 feet, okay? How much farther did Scotty Dog walk than Penguin? Or how many more steps would little Pengy guy here need to walk to get where Scotty Dog is? Can you think of another way to ask that question? And what we're asking is what? We're saying that what's the difference between this distance, right? Scotty Dog went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. Pengy made 1. He probably took a lot of little steps to make it, but you know what I'm saying. So what is the difference between these? And that's subtraction, isn't it? But what I think is really cool to think of it as a distance between the numbers. Isn't that cool? And that this distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spaces is this distance. Right? Isn't that cool? So if we have 8, how many steps backward would Scotty Dog have to take? What? So if we went backwards, let me see if I can hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a -1, and all together we have -7, right? So 7 is how far is the distance between them. 7 is that distance. Or 8 minus 1 equals 7. Or 1 plus something, how many more would Pengy have to walk, will give us 8 steps altogether. And Pengy would have to walk another 7. I want you to try and do some subtraction problems using distance as the idea. See you next time.